In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check Steam server status. If you're having trouble launching games, connecting to friends, or browsing the store, it's important to know whether the issue is on your side or if Steam's services are experiencing problems. The fastest way to get clarity is to use reliable live status trackers, and I'll walk you through three of the best. Start by opening your browser and heading to steamstat.us. This site focuses specifically on Steam's core services. On the main page, you'll see clear indicators that show whether parts of Steam are operating normally, experiencing slowdowns, or are down. Look for categories like Store, Community, Login, and the Web API. When you see green, you're generally good to go. Yellow usually signals partial degradation or slower responses, and red indicates an outage. Many trackers also display recent performance trends or response time graphs, which help you tell if an issue just started or has been building over time. If multiple components show issues at once, that strongly suggests a broader Steam-side problem rather than something local to you. Next, open IsDown App Status Steam. This tracker aggregates incidents and uptime data in an easy-to-read format. You'll typically find a current status banner, a list of recent incidents or maintenance notices, and historical reliability. Scan the latest incident details for context like degraded performance, partial outage, or major outage, along with timestamps. This can confirm what you saw on the first site and provide a quick timeline, which is helpful if you're trying to decide whether to wait a few minutes or check back later. Then visit steamstatus.io. Think of this as an additional perspective with its own monitoring sources. You'll see a dashboard of Steam components and, in many cases, latency or availability charts that visualize spikes. Consistency across all three sites is a strong signal. If each one flags issues for the same components, it's very likely not a problem on your device or network. A few tips while you check. Refresh each page after a minute or two to catch updates, since status can change quickly during peak hours or when fixes roll out. Compare which components are affected. If only the store is flagged, gameplay may still work, but if login or friends is impacted, online features might be limited. It's also normal to see brief scheduled maintenance windows, often reflected as short incidents. Bookmark these three links for fast access and use them side by side whenever something feels off. With these trackers, you'll know within seconds whether Steam is having a moment or it's time to look closer at your own setup.